Welcome guys. So this is our new stamp set, which is called Hidden Travels. You can see it, probably can see it a little better if I put it there. And then here's the coordinating die set. It comes attached, so all you need is just some clippers and clip them out. And then you'll get them all detached like this. And you can either do this on sticker paper or your favorite paper that you like to use. I use this smooth paper that I really like and enjoy, and they work really well with Copic markers. So for example, I have all of them die cut already. This is my Sizzix die cutting machine. It's called the Sizzix Big Shot, and I die cut it. So you can see, and they are also scored. I created some score lines for you so it's easier for you to fold them without trying to, wrestle with. For example, this one, you would have to fold it like this, and then you get a closed suitcase. And it's really, really cute. So then you open it up and you write like a little secret message there. That's why it's called Hidden Travels. So now, for example, I use a lot of different kind of removable adhesive because I'm kind of finicky when it comes to my planner, and I change my mind a lot. My favorite one, but this takes a while to dry, so I'm not going to use that today. And then I also have this Tombow removable adhesive, and I forgot which brand this one is. Oh, Herma. So I'm not sure. Dotted adhesive, which is also removable. And then this one is, I guess, kind of the same thing, same idea. You don't really need to. I'm going to just do one. And then that's it. And you're done. Apply adhesive to this side, which is going to be attached to your planner. Let's just put it like this. And then you can just close it up, and then you can write a little bit of information right there. And then now I have this other one, which is, let's just go through this real quick. So I have one for hotels, a passport one, you have a do not disturb sign, you have a camera set, the suitcase, and a plane ticket. So I would probably just put like whatever personal things that you need to write in here that you don't want people to know. Especially when you want to take pictures for Instagram and things like that, you have something hidden, and then you don't want people to see it on Instagram, you use something like this. I could just rearrange it to wherever I want to put it. So I'll put it somewhere, just the same one, but upward instead, like that. See? Easy. And the same thing with do not disturb, they're all scored also. The score line's right there, and then you could easily, like, once you have it done, you just kind of fold it like this, and that's it. Same thing. So this one's a little bit different, not quite different, but a little teeny tiny bit different because it has something like this, like an overhang. So I would probably put adhesive throughout this whole thing. And then you stick it like that. See how it's like stuck? And now you have some adhesive right there. And then when you put it over here, it's gonna be a little attached there, but you still have something that you can write right there. And then this one is the hotel one, and it has like a little kitty and a little cat. Same thing, I colored it a little, and then you just fold it up. You see how it's already scored? It's scored like this, pretty much, right? Just score lines like that, because if you can see the score line right there. So it'll score like that, but it's so easy to like bend it, and you just bend it like that. And then that's it. And this part, you can either put the adhesive all the way here also, if you want, or you don't want to, that's fine. But I usually do, because it's just easier. And then of course you would put adhesive here too. But if you use sticker paper, it would be a lot easier, but it just depends on which sticker paper you want to use. But the reason why I say you can use adhesive, because then you can use whichever paper that you like and just apply adhesive to it instead of sticking to a specific sticker paper. And then now you just stick this to this part. And this is your hidden part. This is what you write in. And then once you close it, you get a closed building. Isn't that cute? And now I'm gonna just stick it right here. So it's gonna dry and then it's gonna stick to the hotel. So once you look at it, it's like a closed hotel. Very cute and easy. It's a closed hotel. And then you open it and you write your information out. And here's your little suitcase and your little do not disturb sign. We have 3 more items. This is the passport. Same thing, you just fold it up. And then you get a little passport. Same thing, it's supposed to just be slightly open so it looks like an open passport. And then you just write whatever information you want, like flight info if you want, or something else. In there. Okay, that's it. And now you have your, and that was your passport. Your boarding pass, pretty much. Same thing, you just take it out. You see how I just took it out from, you get kind of stuck and you just kind of pop it out. And then you fold it again on the score line. That's already been scored for you. And that's it. And then you just attach this side, and then that's it. And now you have your boarding pass. And then this one's one of my favorite. It's the camera. I didn't really do a great job at coloring it, but this is the camera. And then of course you pop it out, and then you fold this down, and then you fold this up. And it looks like a little Polaroid camera with a little Polaroid coming down from the bottom. Six items on this stamp set, and it's really fun, and I hope that you guys really enjoy these. They're called hidden travels because all these things are hidden, and you can kind of write little secret notes or whatever you want and take pictures of them without having your information shown all over, and at the same time they're really cute. And so this is the die set. It comes like this, and then this is the stamp set. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Thank you so much and enjoy.